Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation, and according to quadratic equation we have to find out the value of k's, and k is present in the quadratic equation, and both the roots of the quadratic equation is less than 5 guys, right? So first of all I would like to say that by seeing the quadratic equation you can simply say that it is a just like a upward open guys, right? So first of all we can understand through the graph, right? So it can be the this type of graph guys, or it can maybe this type of the graph guys. After plotting you will get the value this, right, this term, and we are having this 0.5, and at 0.5 you can say that this term is positive and we will get the function will be positive and greater than 0 guys. So we can say that now we are going to solve this question guys. So directly we can we are going to solve this question. So directly putting the value f5 equal to, we can say after putting the x equal to 5 we will get the value is greater than 0, right? And what is the value of 5 guys? So you can write here the 5 square minus 2k5, right? And 2k into 5 and plus k square plus k minus 5 is equal to 0, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now we can write here 5 square equal to 25 and 2 5s are 10k plus k. So we can simply write the minus 9k and 9k, and you can write here the k square guys, k square, and it will become the minus 5. So we can simply write here, and this is the greater than 0 guys, not equal to 0. So we have to give the sign is greater than 0, right? We have to give the sign is greater than 0, right? Now we are going to solve these equations, and we can arrange in the form of quadratic equation. So we can write here the k square minus 9k, and after subtracting 25 minus 5, so you can write here the 20 guys, right, is greater than 0, right? And now we are going to solve this equation, and k square minus 4k minus 5k and plus 20 is greater than 0, right? And now I am going to solve, and after solving you will get the value k minus 4 into k minus 5 guys, right? Are you getting my points? K minus 4 and k minus 5 is also greater than 0, right? And we are having the two critical point, right? So first one is a you can say that first one is a 4 and another is a 5, and after putting you will value of when we take the value greater than 5 we will get the value positive, right? So we can say that positive, and this is the negative and this is the positive. Then we can take the value is from where to where guys? We can take the value from because we can consider it is greater than 0, so we can say that the k belongs to minus infinity to 4 union, right? Union we can write here 5 to infinity guys, right? So from this we can write here, and for the real root, because according to the question we can say that for real root d is also greater than 0 guys, d is also greater than 0, right? And what is the value of d guys? So you can simply write, because the root k is the also the roots of this equation, so you can simply write here, and after putting, and simply you can write the value of this equation guys, because after putting the value of this equation according to the this equation d is also greater than 0, so we can write here the 4k square 2k square, right? 2k square minus 4ab minus 4ab, so 4, and what is the value of a guys? So you can say that value of a is 1 and c is a k square. So directly we can write here the k square minus 4k and plus 20 is equal is greater than 0, right? And now we can write here 4k square. So we can simply cancel it, right, directly, because we know that 2k square is equal to 4k square, right? So 4k square minus 4k square, after cancelling you will get the value 0 and 4k, and when we send this value is minus 20, and after solving you can write here the value is greater than value of k is less than 5, right? So you can consider you can take the intersection of both two terms. So simply you can say that the roots and the value of k lies in the interval between the minus infinity to 4, right? Because value not greater than 5, guys, right? Value of k must not greater than 5, so it values lies between this term. So you can directly k lie between the minus infinity to 4. So it will be the correct answer, guys, right? Are you getting my points, guys? So thank you.